and I'm an author, garden coach, educator and speaker. And I love helping people grow nutrient-dense food in small spaces. I launched themicrogardener.com in 2010 as a platform for people all over the world to learn how to grow food with easy tutorials, tips and video lessons. If you'd love to do what I do, pick an abundant basket every day of fresh ingredients from your own balcony or backyard supermarket. Or maybe it's a windowsill garden. It really doesn't matter how small the space is, you can do this. I basically create our daily menu with fresh ingredients right throughout the year with what's coming out of my garden, whether that's containers or even picking a little bit of fresh fruit. Like these delicious mulberries that are in season right now. So much can grow in containers, even fruit trees, berries, herbs, and of course loads of vegetables. So I invite you to dig in and check out this channel, my website, and enjoy the lessons that I have on offer for you to learn how to grow an abundance of healthy, nutritious food in small spaces.